So today, this is my vlog. So yeah, it's March 20 and happy birthday, Hyunjin. This is Hyunjin from Stray Kids. If you don't know him, and today's March 20. It's his birthday today, and we love you, Hyunjin. Guys, enjoy the vlog. And guys, please subscribe if you are a stay. I'm so sorry. Happy birthday, Hyunjin. Yay! I'm at school right now. So yeah, I'm gonna hang with my friend, with my little sister Matilda. So this is gonna be part 3, maybe part 4, I don't know, maybe 3. Sorry, I have a cough. So yeah, I'll see you later, guys. And I'm just gonna charge my phone because I'm 13% already. I was supposed to make pancakes, pero I have school. Yeah. Oh wait, I just made this one. I made this one. I'm not really good at making food. And I have a lot of black ink photo cards even though I'm a baby bling. So yeah, I'll see you later, guys. Ayan guys, tapos na ako mag-class. So, mayang-maya maglalabas lang kami ng sister ko. So, yan. And for lunch, we're gonna eat some lumpia. So, here's my sister. Guys, ayan, naglalaro siya ng Roblox. Lagi siya naglalaro ng Roblox. So, yeah. So, I'll see you later. Hi guys! So, today, lalabas naman ako. So, mag-spray ko. Wala na. Alam mo. So, yeah. I'm gonna go. Bye, Ruby! Labas lang ako, ha? Ayan lang yung alas ko. Tayo. And we're just gonna go call Princess. Kanina, she went out kasi nga ako, pero masyadong mainit kasi. Sparkle. Pwede po nalapas si Princess. Sige po. Princess is here. Ano yan? Blind bag? Ay, nakalimutan ko. So, I'm gonna make... Okay, ayan siya. She's just finding her shoes. Ayan na. Kita na yung channels niya. So, yeah.
Stop mo yung baby chismis.
Pwede. Okay lang. Bakit?
Stop mo muna.
Okay. She's gonna give me another blind bag for me. So,
Small muna. Ito.
ay, ang ganda. Ang cute. Ang cute nito, oh. Tapos yan. Squishy.
Hindi. Okay na yan.
Mali. Ay. Sorry. So, ayan. Bigyan na ako ng photo card. Ayan. Ito rin.
Photo kay Drin naman ito eh.
Hala! Ang ganda, oh. Naman ang enhypen. Parang, uy, pahingi lang. Isa lang, si Jungwon.
Ito, next. Alam mo sino next. Oh, yeah, meron na.
Oh, ito. She gave me this. What is this? Oh.
And they gave this.
Huh? Lagay dito.
Jisoo.
Jisoo,
Tingnan mo.
Tapos, bigyan mo sa akin to?
Long. Next. Alam mo, next. Say photo kay dito.
Hala! And thank you sticker. Madami akong ganyan eh.
So, yeah. May ano. Oh, hello mo card. Ito.
Hindi kita. Ang liit-liit kasi. So, ayan, magba-badminton kami kasi may practice siyang badminton sa school. Star, hinirapan ko to
Ang ganda to.
You can squish it. Squish? Talaga? Oo.
Tapos,
Tapos masisira. Squish it, squish. Squish. Paano pag nasira? Okay, she's coming. No! So, we are 9. No, I am 10, turning 10. She is 9. I'm older than her. I was born first.
I'm 10. I'm 10.
No, she's 9. Trust me, she's 9. I'm older than her.
10.
No, she's 9. She's 9. She's 9. She's 9. No, she's 56 years old.
Yeah! Yeah! I'm older than you now. You got... You mother!
Okay, so...
Ay! Bumalik ka dito! Wow!
Babantayan ko lang yung badminton niya. Ayun, pera niya. Kuha ko na yun. Kuha na niya na yung pera. Uy! Bakit? Ay! Ayan. Bakit? So tara, badminton na tayo. I'm just waiting for Princess. So may nakita kaming flying plastic, guys. Ayun na. Diyan. Kita ko. Oh no, it's Pia! It's Pia! Run! Oh no! Si Pia! Ay! Wala, lumabas si Princess. At di kami. Ano?
Kamu yun, no?
Oh, pumasok siya, pero ano, kinuha ko kasi.
Ay, you're lying!
Hala, hindi ako naglalay.
Ay!
Diba? Sabi ko sa iyo eh. Uy, may dala kang french fries. Girl, may french fries.
Hindi ka kainin. Kain natin.
Ito tayo. Potato corner? Hindi. O gawa lang. Adela, gusto mo? Ala, asa ka. Uy, parang potato corner yan eh. Yan natin yung ketchup.
Huwag ninyo ubusin.
Potato corner to eh.
Hindi.
Parang potato corner. na kami sa fries. Naghugas lang ako sa bahay nila. Hugas lang kami na. Lalakad lang tayo. Ikot-ikot lang. Kasi gusto ko. So, yan. Teka lang. Lalakad tayo. Wala.
May natapos trash can.
Sticker. Sticker?
Kasi, hindi mo lang.
What the? Bukas, bibigay ako ng... Di mo, lagi niya ako hinuhold ng hand every time you walk.
Sabi niya. You need a hug, sabi niya.
Saan sila? Nakahabalan kami ni Pia, guys. Come here!
Di ba remember jump scare? Jump scare.
A whoop jump scare. Matilda! Matilda, come here! Hello! Pasok na tayo. So, yeah. Naligo na ako. Yes. Naligo na. See you guys next time. So, bye guys! Okay guys, sorry for skipping this part because my phone went a little low, but
Elementary pala.